Traditional training pulls learners out of work, but today's world demands learning that fits into work. That's where learning in the flow of work comes in. It's a modern approach that delivers knowledge, tools, and support exactly when and where they're needed, on the job, in real time. Think of it as performance support, not just instruction. Instead of taking a course and hoping to remember it later, learners get what they need in the moment they need it. This approach works because it respects the realities of adult learners. They're busy, they're juggling priorities, and they don't have time to step away from the job just to learn. Learning in the flow of work blends short, actionable content like tooltips, checklists, quick videos, or job aids into daily routines. It's powered by technology and designed for impact. This model is especially effective for new tools or systems, leadership development, customer service scenarios, technical or compliance tasks. So how do we design learning in the flow of work? First, make it micro. Keep content short, targeted, and immediately applicable. No fluff, just what's needed to perform. Second, make it accessible. Embed learning in the platforms people already use: email, Slack, LMS, CRMs, or intranets. Remove barriers between learning and doing. Third, make it searchable. Learners should be able to find help when they need it, fast. Think smart tagging, intuitive design, and mobile-first access. Fourth, make it contextual. Tie learning to specific roles, tasks, or moments. Don't just teach generally, support action specifically. Fifth, support reflection. Even in the flow of work, learning should include quick check-ins or prompts to reinforce what was learned. Learning in the flow of work isn't just efficient, it's effective. It respects learners' time, increases retention, and leads to faster application. It also shifts the role of the educator. We become experience designers, not just content creators. We build systems, not just sessions. Because in the modern world, learning isn't an event. It's a habit. It's woven into work, powered by relevance, and measured by real performance. And when we meet learners in their moment of need, we move from teaching to enabling, from content to capability. That's learning in the flow of work.